Hey guys, finally got my glasses fixed and tightened. So I'm currently uploading day 13 because I had uploaded it. Oh my gosh, those are not centered at all.
Narrow CD. Okay.
So yeah, there's Cheez-Its on my nightstand, water bottle, ponytail holder, Jake's stuff that we're supposed to sell for his fundraiser that I have sold none of. Anyway, okay, so I'm probably gonna pop my hair up in a ponytail. But today is day 15. 15, guys. 5 more days. Okay, Paisley's right below my feet, so. But anyway, so she hits the tripod, I'm sorry. But yeah, today is day 15. And we are going through my scarves and bags and hats. So I'm gonna go and get all of them. They're in like containers. I'd like to declutter them by half, if not more. That would be great because, yeah, I'm sick of them. My hats, I'm not sure because I've got a couple plain ones that I can put something on now that I have my Cricut. Excuse my kids in the background. But their scarves, hats, and stuff I will do with the winter stuff, which I am also redoing. Wait, what is today? Winter clothing. So I'm guessing they're talking about like overalls and coveralls and stuff, but we don't really have any. I don't even know where all of ours are. The kids definitely don't have any because we didn't need them in Louisiana. So, all right, I'm gonna go get all the stuff, put them on my bed, and I'm just gonna declutter on here. So let's get into it, guys. Okay, so just so y'all see what I have. This whole thing is full, and I've got all these for. My kids are playing like crazy, I apologize, but that's what I'm working with today. 30 minutes, let's go.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land.
Fluff. Write it down, guys. I'm getting rid of something turquoise.
Okay, so the time on here says 13 minutes. Do I have any extra bags and stuff? I've got this purse down here. Got this purse here. And I've got my bag that I carry my laptop and stuff in. Anyway, I'm sorry about this lighting, guys, but yes, those are the only two that I have out right now. I've got one in my car that I'm gonna probably get rid of. I just gotta go out and get it and clean out my car, but that's one of these days. Oh, spoiler alert. But anyway, okay, so I got rid of an entire bag. Most of these purses in here, I'm going to put on resale. This bag I use for travel. So, do this. This is my only backpack. I'm pretty positive, yeah. This is my only backpack, so I have to keep it. I take it whenever we go on trips, whenever we go to like the zoo, anything like that. So that's staying. Purses that I'm keeping are the ones that I literally use on a regular basis. Look, guys, it's true. It's still like, you know, I left it yesterday.
You said it twice to me. How bad it hurts. It's a lie.
I now remember why those did not go up there. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see the last, well, after this is the 4 days, just 4 days. If you like this video and this gave you motivation to declutter something in your house today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I want to know what you decluttered today. Leave it in the comments. And if you want to see more from me and you want to join our tribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's the red one below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!